we have a new product at JVN Hair. It's called Blowout Styling Milk. It lives in our complete family and it is gorgeous. This is going to help your blow dries last longer. It's gonna help your blow dries retain their style memory. It's time to talk about ingredients. First of all, we have our hemisqualane. Our hemisqualane is our superior to silicone alternative. Also, there's orchid milk. Orchid milk is really rich in antioxidants. So for people who have color-treated hair that's prone to fadage, especially from heat styling, Blowout milk is gonna be amazing for you. Then, as always, heat protection. This is gonna give you the heat protection that you need to protect your hair up to 450 degrees. Cassia Bark Style Polymer, really major. This is a water-soluble fixative that is gonna help to repel humidity. It's gonna help to lock in moisture without letting your hair get fuzzy, frizzy, and it's gonna make your styles last so much longer. I never leave home without it. It's in every purse I have. You never know when you're gonna need your gorgeous Blowout styling milk.